Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit a MailChimp template. This is MailChimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Click on Login. Once you're inside your MailChimp account, just scroll down on the left side of the screen to email templates below content. Click on it. These are all the saved templates in your account, and to edit one, just click on this edit button next to the template you want to edit. We are now inside the template editor, and to edit this template, just select the block or the element that you want to edit, and from the right side of the screen you can edit it. For example, this text, you can edit it like that. You can add links, you can add, let's say that you want to start your website with hey, first name of the recipients, just write hey, and click on this merge tags and select first name. I'm not sure why I don't see the first name from this list. Member data, I think I don't have this data on my on this account. So after that, let's say that to edit this block, just select it and click on this bin icon. Confirm your deletion. To add a block, just click on this save and close. You can add all of these blocks, for example, the text block, an image, a button. Let's add this button. Just drag and drop it like that. And to edit the button text, you can edit it from here. Same thing for the link. Now let's say how to add an image. To add an image, same thing, click on save and close, select the image block, place it where you want, and upload your image to your MailChimp account from your computer. Then select it like that. Let's insert this downloading button, and you can add it like that. To add a link to an image, just select the image and click on this link. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my MailChimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your MailChimp account, how to manage your audience inside MailChimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to edit a MailChimp template. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.